Winter has arrived in the UK. As you can see, some plants are quite able to withstand the frost, such as this rosemary. Although its tips are frosty, it's still healthy and alive. However, this poor nasturtium has perished and turned into a formless mass of green mush. What happened to the poor nasturtium? Why plants collapse into this kind of yucky, mushy-looking stuff if they've been frozen is that most plants do not have the evolutionary adaptations to resist the damage of freezing. What happens to a plant at the cellular level when it gets frozen is that plant cells are mostly water. When the water freezes inside the cells, as we all know, water expands. So what happens is that the plant cell's volume exceeds what it can hold, and the cells are torn open by ice crystals and burst open. That means that the plant loses its structural integrity and just turns into squishy mush. However, other kinds of plants, probably such as our rosemary over here, have evolutionary adaptations that allow them to survive frost. One of these is having very narrow leaves. As you can see, the rosemary almost looks like pine needles. And the rosemary may have other adaptations, such as having natural antifreeze chemicals in its leaves. So, as we get towards winter, if you have any plants that you know are frost sensitive, please protect them or prepare to say goodbye to them. Thank you for joining Katia Plant Scientist, and stay curious about plants.